Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to dive into the incredibly useful MID function. This function allows you to pull out a specific portion of text from a larger string. You simply tell it where to begin and how many characters you want to extract. It's a fantastic tool for cleaning up data, isolating product codes, or grabbing just the right piece of information from a longer text entry. Let's explore how it works with some practical examples. Let's break down the syntax of the MID function. It takes three arguments: text, startNum, and numchars. The text is your source string, like a cell containing a name or an ID. StartNum is a number indicating where in that string you want to begin your extraction. Remember, the first character is position 1. Finally, numchars tells the function exactly how many characters to pull out from that starting point. Understanding these three parts is key to mastering MID. Let's look at a quick example to see the MID function in action. Imagine you have the text "Hello World" and you want to extract just the word world. You would use the formula MID Hello World 75. The function starts counting at the 7th character, which is the W in world, and then extracts 5 characters from there. This gives you the desired result of world. It's a straightforward way to pinpoint and pull out exactly what you need. To get the most out of the MID function, consider these tips. It's excellent for extracting fixed-length data, such as a 3-digit area code from a phone number. For more flexible extractions, pair MID with functions like find or search to dynamically determine your startNum. Always ensure your startNum is a positive value and doesn't exceed the total length of your text. If numchars is too large, MID will simply return all characters from the starting point to the end of the string.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.